What's up, guys? My name is Scott Letz. I'm the drummer for Lockjaw out of Fort Worth, Texas. I've been playing the drums for about 27 years, and I've been in the band Lockjaw since about 2004. I play with the Collision 5B sticks right now. I actually ordered the 5B Reach. Try those guys out, but I love these sticks. I've played with many sticks over my career and different kind of brands and different types of wood, and these have held up through my practices, through my shows, my gigs, and the metal that I play and how hard I hit. These have actually held up. They're still lightweight, but they have lasted through all my gigs. Haven't had a problem with them, and I'm going to continue to use them. Love these sticks, and I recommend them to anybody, especially if you're a metal or rock drummer, that kind of a bigger dude like me and hit pretty hard. These things have lasted. The song I'm about to show you is called Sever. We played a show down in Corpus Christi, Texas with Max Cavalera's band Go Ahead and Die, and this is off of our latest album, Relentless, and it was our first song of our set. Try to knock it out of the way, one of our heavy hitters, and the fans love it, so take a listen.